So you want to sell digital products, but you don't have a creative bone in your body, or at least that's what you tell yourself. No design skills, no artistic flair, no clue where to start. Here's the truth. None of that matters anymore. Forget about struggling to learn Photoshop or spending hours perfecting a design. You don't need to be a designer. You just need a clear plan, the right tools, and some hustle. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start creating and selling digital products without any design skills. And trust me, it's way easier than you think. Let's start with this. Digital products are anything you can sell online that people can download or access instantly. Think templates, printables, eBooks, digital art, stock photos, or even online courses. They're popular with sellers for a reason. They're scalable. You create it once, and you can sell it over and over again with no extra production costs. That's why people are obsessed with them. And here's what's great. You don't need to be creative or a tech genius to jump into this market. You just need to understand how to make the most out of the tools and resources available today. And I'm going to show you 3 different ways to do this. Method 1. All right, let's get into the first method, using AI tools to do most of the work for you. This is one of the fastest and most affordable ways to create a product without needing any special skills. AI tools like ChatGPT and Leonardo AI are great for this. They take your ideas and turn them into finished content, whether it's written or visual. Let me show you how this works. Let's say you want to create a digital ebook to sell. Maybe it's a guide on something you're already familiar with, like productivity tips or meal planning for busy people. You can open ChatGPT and type in a prompt like this: "Write me an introduction for a beginner's guide to meal planning." Within seconds, you'll have a full draft you can edit and personalize. And that's just the start. You can break the whole ebook into sections and have ChatGPT help you with each chapter, ideas, tips, and even step-by-step processes. But an ebook needs more than words. It needs a professional cover. That's where Leonardo AI comes in. And this tool lets you describe the type of image you want, and it'll create it for you. Let's stick with the meal planning example. You could type this prompt into Leonardo AI. A wooden table with beautiful fruits and vegetables on it. There's also a stack of closed glass containers with food in them. I recommend setting the preset to Phoenix 1.0 and turning on Prompt Enhance. And then hit generate. In a few seconds, you'll have some high-quality, unique images that you can pick from and download. Then all that's left to do is to combine your cover with your text and format everything to form an ebook file that you can list on Etsy, Gumroad, or your own website. You can use Leonardo AI to create covers and images for pretty much anything, whether it's a cover for your ebook, guide, or course. Method 2. Now let's talk about how to use templates and AI to create digital products. Maybe you want to create something visual like digital prints or planners. Here's how AI can help with that. For digital prints, you can use DALL-E to generate unique artwork based on specific prompts, like abstract watercolor in pastel tones, or geometric animal designs in black and white. You don't need to know how to draw or paint, just describe the look you're going for, and DALL-E will handle the rest. You can then download these images, format them the way you'd like, and then sell them. For planners or templates, you can combine AI with Canva templates. Canva is an online design platform that's incredibly beginner-friendly, which is perfect if you don't have any design skills. Start by asking ChatGPT to brainstorm what sections your planner should include. For example, it might suggest daily schedules, to-do lists, and habit trackers. Then hop over to Canva, search for planner templates, and customize one to fit your theme. Change the colors, tweak the fonts, add your own text. Again, it's all drag and drop, so no design experience is necessary. You can even use Canva's own AI image generator to produce unique designs with text prompts. This combo of AI generation and Canva's templates is a game changer for creating professional products quickly. You can use Canva's templates for a range of different digital products, such as creating a video course, formatting an ebook, making social media post templates, and much more. There are thousands and thousands of templates so that you never have to create a design from scratch. Method 3. Now, if AI tools still feel intimidating or you want something even simpler, let's talk about the next method, licensing stock assets. This is perfect if you want to skip the creation process altogether. Stock assets are pre-made designs, templates, and graphics that you can buy and use in your own products. They're like shortcuts to a finished product, and platforms like Envato Elements, Creative Market, and Adobe Stock are gold mines for this kind of thing. Here's how it works. Let's say you want to sell printable wall art. Search for designs that match the aesthetic you're aiming for, like boho patterns, motivational quotes, or colorful abstract art. Once you find something you like, make sure the license allows for commercial use. Some stock assets can be resold as is, while others might require slight modifications. Always check the licensing terms to avoid issues. To customize stock assets, you can use Canva again. Let's say you found found a boho-style printable design but want to add a personal touch. Upload the file into Canva and make small tweaks, like changing the background color or adding a quote. Even minor edits can make the product feel unique and tailored to your audience. Once you're happy with it, save the file as a PDF or high-quality image, and it's ready to sell. Method 4. What if you don't want to create or customize anything yourself, but you still want original designs? That's where outsourcing comes in. You can hire freelancers to handle the creative side while you focus on building your brand and selling the products. Websites like Fiverr and Upwork make this easy. You can find talented designers who will create exactly what you need at an affordable price. Let's break it down. First, decide what kind of product you want to create. For example, maybe you want a set of social media templates to sell to small business owners. Go to Fiverr, search for social media template designers, and scroll through the options. Look for someone with a strong portfolio and good reviews. Once you find the right freelancer, send them a detailed brief. Be clear about what you want, how many templates, what style, what colors, and let them handle the rest. In just a few days, you'll have a ready-to-sell product without lifting a finger creatively. Marketing your products without design skills. Marketing your product is one of the most important pieces of the puzzle. Social media is your best friend here, but unfortunately, it can feel very saturated. That's why it's important that your posts look good and grab people's attention when they're scrolling. But if you feel like creating videos and posts is a lot of hassle, too time-consuming, or just feels too complicated for you, you can use the methods that we talked about to help. For example, you can use Canva's Instagram post templates to batch create posts that you can upload to your Instagram account to promote your digital products. You can also use AI-generated images or licensed stock assets in your posts so that you don't have to take any footage yourself, but still create great-looking posts that people interact with. If you want to create videos for your marketing, there are plenty of AI tools like InVideo that can create the entire video for you. All you have to do is select the type of video you want, fill out the details, and InVideo will create an entire video with a script, voiceover, footage, background music, captions, and more for you. Think about the amount of time and hassle this saves you. Selling digital products isn't an overnight success story. It takes time to figure out what works, build your audience, and refine your process. But the potential is huge. You don't need to be a designer. You don't need to spend a ton of money up front, and you don't need to reinvent the wheel. You just need to take the first step. Start small, keep it simple, and focus on creating something that solves a problem or adds value for your audience. Now you've got everything you need to get started. Go ahead, pick one method: AI tools, stock assets, or outsourcing, and take that first step. Which of these design methods are you thinking of using for your digital products? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful or interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.